Masala Vada. This is the ultimate masala vada recipe. Also find tips for the perfect crunch. This is the perfect evening snack that you need along with the tea. Soak some chana dal for 3 to 4 hours and then strain the water and grind it into a paste along with the rock salt, chilies and ginger. Grind it coarsely and not smoothly. Take some spring onions and chop them. Take some onions and finely chop them, and also keep aside some soaked chana dal. And let's mix all this together in the mixing bowl. Let's add in the finely chopped spring onions into it. Take some mint leaves and nicely wash them. And once they're washed, add in the mint leaves into it. Add in the coarsely ground dal mixture into it and mix it all together. Add in the mint leaves into it as well. Chop some coriander and add in the coriander leaves into the mixture and mix it all together. Once it is mixed well together, let's make vadas out of it. Take some portion in the hand and make it into a nice round balls and try to flatten it as shown. You can use another hand and place it on the left hand and flatten it using the right hand. Now this is done beautifully. Let's put it in the oil. Take a kadai and heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add in the vadas into it and deep fry them. Make sure that you don't touch the oil with your fingers when you drop the vadas into the hot oil in the kadai. Be very careful when you drop the vadas into the oil. Use a spatula or some ladle which is flat enough for you to press it on and drop it into the oil. You can use either of it if you're not comfortable using your hand. If you're using your hand, this is how you can flatten it on the left hand and then take it on the right hand, and then you can drop it into the oil smoothly without touching the oil. Also, turn the vadas upside down after it is boiled for a while. Keep checking in between and keep turning them to the other side so that the vadas are well fried from both the sides. Checking them from time to time and make sure they're not burnt, and make sure that they're turned to the other side so that they are well cooked on both the sides. Once they start cooking well, reduce the flame so that they don't over fry. Now the vadas are cooked well and they've become nice and brown. Reduce the flame and try to take them out. These are so crispy and so light in weight, and it doesn't absorb oil at all. So the secret ingredients here are: use as many green leaves as possible, be it the mint leaves, the coriander leaves, the spring onions, or the curry leaves, or whatever other leaves that you wish to add into it. So the most crispy and the most crunchy masala vadas are ready. These can make a brilliant evening snack, or these can be a very good source of protein for kids, and replace those maida biscuits with these crispy and crunchy masala vadas for the evening tea and snacks, both for the elders and the kids, and enjoy. Do try them this way and do let me know how they turn out for you and how you like it. Do like, share and subscribe for more such easy, healthy and homemade recipes at Teju's Home Flavors. For now, enjoy these crispy, crunchy masala vadas. See you next time in the next video.